Nike Running's forthcoming Ekiden collection bridges Japan's marathon tradition with cutting-edge innovation, celebrating the legacy that began in 1995 with the Air Streak Ekiden. Honoring the spirit of Ekiden relay racing, the line channels cultural artistry through lime green uppers detailed with bold, tribal-inspired black graphics, alongside Japanese lettering on the tongue, spine, and insole. Iconic past models such as the Air Streak Lite and Zoom Streak Spectrum Plus paved the way for this modern evolution, culminating in the Vaporfly 4. A dynamic midsole enhances the look with black accents on the forefoot that fade into a gradient green heel. Balancing heritage and performance, Nike continues its annual tradition of paying homage to Japan while refining gear for runners. Scheduled for release between holiday 2025 and spring 2026, the series reinforces Nike's lasting dedication to innovation and cultural respect.